Transmission 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, top speed 341 km per hour, priced $1,199,000, max torque Nm/rpm 690 Nm at 6,000 rpm, max power bhp/rpm 740 horsepower at 8,250 rpm, engine/cylinders 6.3-liter V12 drive, rear-wheel drive 0 to 100 km/h3. 1 seconds, Seymour at 0 to 100 km/h3. 1 seconds drive, rear-wheel drive, engine/cylinders 6.3-liter V12, max power bhp/rpm 740 horsepower at 8,250 rpm, max torque Nm/rpm 690 Nm at 6,000 rpm, priced $1,199,000, top speed 341 km per hour, transmission 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, Seymour at 0 to 100 km/h3. 1 seconds, top speed 341 km per hour, engine/cylinders 6.3-liter V12, max torque Nm/rpm 690 Nm at 6,000 rpm, transmission 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, max power bhp/rpm 740 horsepower at 8,250 rpm, priced $1,199,000, drive, rear-wheel drive, Seymour at drive, rear-wheel drive, priced $1,199,000, max power bhp/rpm 740 horsepower at 8,250 rpm, transmission 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, max torque Nm/rpm 690 Nm at 6,000 rpm, engine/cylinders 6.3-liter V12, top speed 341 km per hour, 0 to 100 km/h3. 1 seconds, Seymour at the F12 comes with a 6.3-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, and as you would expect, it is massive. But Ferrari has much to smile about, since this engine won the International Engine of the Year award in 2013. Everything about this car is engineered to perfection. Seymour as standard, the F12 comes fitted with the 6.3-liter V12. And the vital stats look pretty good. It produces 740 horsepower and will deal with 0-100 kp/h in 3.1 seconds. Ferrari also claimed that it will reach a top speed of 341 kp/h, and that is jolly fast. Then of course there are a whole raft of options which will skew the price. Prices begin at around $1,199,000. Seymour at it's far more difficult reviewing cars like this than you would imagine. The plus points are easy, it's fast, it's stunning, and it's a Ferrari. But the negatives are far harder to address. Price doesn't matter, so we can't complain about that. Ferrari is a brand for the richer classes, and when you're paying over $1 million for a car, you kind of expect perfection. The F12 Berlinetta is just that. Seymour at Thanks for watching.